This is 11:29 on a Tuesday. I'm chilling with my nigga E in the back. And my nigga Kunta. At 11:33. See?
Yeah,
Parking lot.
you already know all day.
Oh, look at the fresh Benz. 2011. Yeah.
Look at this 3.
Are you not ready? Bird. One time. Oh, getting crunk, niggas. Getting crunk. Come on, one time. Okay. Come on, say it, my nigga. No. This way, nigga. The camera's this way, my nigga. Okay, yes. One time. I know, go do it. Okay, this way. Basic. Niggas on drugs. Nigga, keep going, nigga. Keep going, nigga.
All day, son. Yo. We're taking over all day, every day. Don't get twisted. Me and my niggas right here. Niggas been a recluse since high. Going on with this nigga middle school, son. This is my nigga, son.
That's
my nigga shit.
That's my nigga.
We to the all, my nigga. You're my nigga, son.
He's high right now.
Yo.
He's high right now.
Fuck bitches, my nigga. Because
but guess what? He can't say that. He can't say that about his girl.
No.
Jenny.
Jenny. I love that. I love my baby. But yo, you already know.
Talk this way, nigga.
These other niggas.
Exactly, that's right.
That you gotta come up to. And you gotta come up and be like, yo, what's good?
My nigga, talk this way.
Press
nigga.
on that.
Yo, talk, nigga.
Go on that, nigga.
Nigga, the camera's this way.
What?
Talking to the camera.
What the fuck?
Oh, you got bitch smack, nigga. Ooh, nigga, that wasn't me.
Regularly?
Yeah, be easy.
You want to regulate,
Check
nigga.
yourself before you wreck yourself.
Alright, so what we out to right now, my nigga? Alright, my nigga.
I'm about to do something.
Make sure you have your keys, my nigga, cause I'm not trying to be the one.
Oh shit. It got stuck right here.
So go get it out.
No, I can't get it out.
Alright, now you cheesing. Cause that's a lie. Why do you like this? Nah. Come on, nigga. Get it, nigga, if I hit you in the face.
Why? You ain't fucking.
Lake Street? That's right, nigga. Show, nigga. Lake Street in the building.
Yo, what are you doing?
He's stuck. Look at nigga stuck outside. Nigga stuck.